Lisa from Active Domestics here, coming to you from one of the places that I actually have to spend quite a bit of time, the washing line. Big family I've got. Anyway, a lot of people actually find it quite a challenge to both hang and fold queen size bed sheets. We always use a bottom fitted sheet and a top sheet. So I just wanted to show you a really good method that I've been using, which I think is a very efficient method. First of all, when I hang the pillowcases, I always hang them from the top corners, not from the bottom bits with the folding things over. Let them all, because this is thicker down there, so you want it to be able to have the thickest parts blowing down in the breeze. Secondly, when I'm folding the top sheet, what I do is I find the decorative top edge here and I hook it up. Then run my hand straight down to the other side of that same decorative edge and hook that up a couple of lines apart. Then it's just simply a matter of shaking it out and pinning it up. This way it doesn't get on the ground. So I pin that corner bit up first, then pin the middle bits. Some people might want to add more pegs. I'm happy with it like that. But this way, when it's got that space in the middle, by having that empty line in the middle, it's going to dry a lot more quickly. And you know, that's really important for people who either, like me, have a lot of washing, or people who live in climates where drying their washing is more difficult. Now for the fitted sheet. First of all, I find the shorter end of the corner bits. So by the corner bits, the sewn bits where it fits over the mattress. I hook it up. Find that other corner bit, get the end bit, and then have that all folded over and make sure that everything is like not tucked over and stuff like that. So these sheets are actually already dry, so now I'm going to show you how I fold them up. Now, if you're a little bit less experienced at folding fitted sheets, you might want to do it this way. And that is, you find that other corner bit, so see that other little corner bit in here, hook that up with its corner bit there. Same here, I've got the corner bit here, give it a little shake, and then match that bit in there. So you can see it's all folded up, give it a little shake. Then undo these bits. And hook them up right there, or actually get them off, and then take that peg off here. I then fold it over like this. Fold it, well actually, no, I normally go like this. Puff that air out of it because that's part of the problem. Fold it back around and then kind of just roll it up. There. Looks okay as far as the fold goes. Put it up that way, it's good enough. Same with these ones. Fold them like that. Get those two edges together. Go back to the middle, to the other end here. Undo those ones, have all those edges together, and then undo these two middle ones. Flip them up. Give them a shake. And that's pretty much all there is to it. We have 2 beautiful queen size sheets, nicely folded, ready for the cupboard, or in my case, going straight back on the bed. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and then you can check out my future videos. So you have a good week.